Hello everyone! We have seen that the plum pudding prediction was false. So based on the new observations, scientists have predicted a new theory. The first panel shows the alternative model. Let's click fire in this panel. Notice what's happening. It's moving in a straight line. Now let's change the position and click fire again. Now let's change the position again. And click fire. And we will change the position of the slider one more time and click fire. Notice what is happening. It's moving in a straight line. The new model concentrates the positively charged and most massive part of the atom in a very tiny space at the center. This is called the nucleus. In this model, the electrons are in orbit in the relatively large empty space surrounding the nucleus. Why is the new nuclear model of the atom an improvement of the plum pudding model? Yes, since it's in agreement with the observations of the scattering of the alpha particles with the atom.